Alright, this install is pretty straightforward. I literally just did my screen today. So all you're going to do is you're going to pop this plastic piece, surround around with your finger, run it all the way around the side, all the way around the top. Just use your fingers. Now when I first took this off, when I first did the install, on the original screen there was sticky stuff all along the bottom. I took a credit card and ran the credit card down in there, which also helps pop the little pieces out from around there and breaks the tape. So then you're going to proceed to stick your finger between the screen and the plastic surround. And then you're going to work the corners off and the pieces right here and here. So you're just going to pull up, just give it slight little pulls. Same thing along here as well. So you hear the clips disengage. There you go. So once the surround is off, you can see the original sticky tape that was here when I first did it. Now there are 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take a small screwdriver. I have a small screwdriver set I had. And you're just going to remove the screws. Take the last one off. Okay. I took a napkin. Just lay the napkin down here. You're going to take the screen by the tabs on the top. And all you're going to do is lay it down. Then you're going to take the tape off the original connector right here. Lift it up. The connector slides out that way towards the screen. All you're going to do is pull back. Take the monitor screen, put it to the side. You would get your new screen, which this is the old one. But I put the tape back on. See, it was a matte color. I replaced it with the gloss. So then all you're going to do, take your connector. It's going to slide back in this way towards me. It's a little bit of a pain. You just got to take your time with it. Slide one end in, the other end in. Put your tape back down so it stays in place. You're going to take your monitor screen. You're going to align the little metal holes on the top, right here, right here, and here. You line those up. You take your screws. Just get them started. are tiny, so be careful so you don't lose them. Just screw them in. I'm going to go back over them so they're nice and tight once I have them all in. One, two, three, and four. Nice and tight. Everything's good. You take your surround. You're going to get the bottoms lined up first. They're not going to click in right away, but you just press down on them. And you start from the bottom, and you start clicking it, surrounds back in. So, you get all those in. All around the sides. Okay. And you're just going to grab it from the bottom, and you're going to press down on these. And then you are just going to make sure that they are fully clamped in. You're going to work the bottom ones in too. There you go. Okay. Alright, hit the power button. It's already turning on. As you can see, the screen works perfectly. I prefer the gloss screen. The matte screen just kind of was too dim. And this is for the HP 250. See, it boots up. And you're good to go.